People on the street are normally forgotten. People will take donations to shelters and drop off food and things to shelters, but forget the people that are actually on the street. I'm Erica Starr Robbins. I am Executive Director and founder of Be a Blessing Birmingham, which is a street homeless organization, nonprofit. We focus on street homeless more so than people that are actually, in the shelters. Every third Saturday, we're out here at the park to do hygiene kits, clothing, shoes, snack bags, and hot breakfast and coffee. I've been telling people, when you get in this work, you have to be in this work through the good, the bad, and the ugly. I would love to be able to stay in the house to follow guidelines and proper procedure to try to keep down the spread of this virus. But at the end of the day, I can't stay in because they can't stay in.
We do our best to cut down on exposure while taking care of our people, and I think that we'll be able to at least get some resources out there. I'm Avery from Community on the Rise.
I'm John Brown. I help out here around here, church, volunteer, maintenance and stuff.
Yep. And we are working right now to develop routes so that we can send small teams out to distribute food and water to members of our homeless community. There is lots of restricted access right now on food and water, and we want to make sure that our community members get fed and get hydrated during this coronavirus crisis.
It's kind of tough out there, and I'm homeless myself, so this has been kind of rough, and you can see in some places faces anger and despondency and many other things. So I'm glad that we're doing this to get some food to them because it's really a big help.
Supplies have been extremely scarce. Everybody's like in a panic mode and they're buying up everything. It's making things hard to be able to get the supplies to feed people when you can only have a 2 bread limit when you're trying to make sandwiches for 100 people.
We have a sanitizer set up at every station that we're using right as you come in the door. We also got one in the kitchen. We've got hot water and soap. We've got gloves. So as we prepare the food, we're taking breaks every now and then to wash our hands. We're sanitizing the area where we're serving the food and just trying to keep that maintenance going throughout the process. And then when we go and hand out food, we're doing the same thing.
Yeah, and a lot of people out there have health issues and stuff that, and they're 50, 60 years old and such. So they're at high risk already. So we want to try to minimize all this like they're doing here with the deliveries and everything. And it's got a lot of people scared, man. A lot of people scared.
People are, saying, well, you should probably be selfish right now and you should, maybe cancel and say, and I'm like, I can't do that. Because not only do they need these supplies, but they need a sense of normalcy.